So hello guys and welcome to a new video. As I told you in the last video, I wanted to start with some technical issues on the Kadett, and I already started, but nothing so far ready for video. But in the meanwhile, the Alcantara wrap I ordered was arrived much earlier than I expected it. So because it's pretty shitty weather outside, so I can start with the interior and wrap it with Alcantara. As you can see, the material is really nice. Really like original Alcantara almost, but it's a wrap. And yeah, let's check out how it works. I'm already in love with that. So check out the material. It's really like original Alcantara, but it's a foil or wrap. You can use it outside and inside of the car. I would recommend not to use it outside because when it gets wet, it's not that nice. I'm going to take some plastic parts from the Kadett and we can try how it works out. Normally I would recommend to start with the biggest parts, because for example if you want to make the roof line or something like that, you have a lot of material which will stay over and you can reuse for smaller parts. But I have 15 meters of it, so I have quite enough material because I want to do the whole car. So I will start with some smaller parts and you can see that. So what you need is of course your wrap. I use the wrap from the company Carbons. It's a good quality and it's stretchable. I also use additionally some glue, which is not going through the Alcantara, that's important, and which is pretty fine. So, and it's readjustable for a couple of minutes. I use this in the areas where there should be some extra glue because there is some strong places, for example here in this area or even in this area here. I will use some extra glue additional so that the wrap will stay after drying where it should stay. Especially these rounded areas and so on should be extra fixed. So as you can see, I've put some extra glue in this area here. And then start to work it on. So for filming the result I went outside, maybe better for the camera. I think it turned out pretty well. So let's go on with the next parts. So basically that's it for today, guys. I had done one part so far so that you can see how it works. I will make a special video for the roof liner when I start to do the roof liner, because I think this is interesting to the most people here. And what else to say? I think it's not so hard to cover things in Alcantara when you use the right product. It is very stretchable, and in the corners where you need some extra power you can use some extra glue as well, also with self-wrapping Alcantara. Yeah, so I will go on with the things, and I will come back to you for doing the roof liner as a tutorial, and of course when I start to install the parts to the car. So have a nice day, see you.